Hello children, today we are going to learn more about water. And children, this topic is taken from your EVS textbook. So let's learn with me. Children, do you know water is a precious natural resource? We need water for various activities on our day-to-day life. Children, as we know, all the living things need water to live. We can't imagine our life without water. In fact, children, there is life on the earth only because it has air and water. Children, all the living things need water. Let's see in this picture. Animals also need water to survive their life. Let's learn more something about water. Water is present in the earth in form of stream, ponds, lake, seas, oceans, and rivers. Children, we also see water falling down in the form of beautiful waterfalls in hills and mountains. Children, we use water every day for lots of different things, and without it, we would not be able to stay healthy. Children, do you know one thing? Water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless substance essential for the survival of living beings. Children, one more thing. Water comprises of more than 71% of Earth's surface. Now, water is essential element for the all human beings, animals, and plants. Children, do you know how water becomes dirty? Yes, children, waters become dirty due to pollution. And due to pollution, fish and aquatic plants die due to chemicals and plastic thrown in water. Let's children learn some uses of water with me. Cooking, brushing teeth, cleaning, washing, bathing, and putting out. Now more uses of water at your home. Watering plants, washing clothes, washing vegetables, washing cars, etc. Now children, do you know from where we get water? Yes children, rain is the main source of water on the earth. Here is the main sources of water is rain and surface water, stream, pond, lake, river, ocean and sea. And the underground water is spring, well, tubewell and hand pump. Children, where does the rain collect? Yes, surface water collect on the surface of the earth in the form of stream, pond, lake, river, sea and oceans. Some of the rainwater seeps through the soil into the ground below. This is called underground water. Sometimes water sprouts out in the form of a spring we can use spring water by digging wells and tube wells. You can easily observe this picture: well, tube well and hand pump. Now children, sources of fresh water is pond, glacier, spring and groundwater. Now children, do you know how we can clean water for drinking at your home? Yes, we can clean water without germs or chemicals that is suitable for drinking. Is called potable water by boiling, by filtering. We can save water by using bucket for bathing instead of a shower, as it can save a lot of water. Turn off the tap while brushing or washing your hands. Use it only when required. Yeah, there should be no leakage in the toilets and bathroom taps. If there is any, get it fixed immediately to save water. Use less water for washing cars and other vehicles. You can save water for watering plants with a watering can. We don't use hose pipe for watering plants. Now children, here is some tips to saving water in the bathroom. Turn off tap while brushing your teeth. Turn off tap while applying soap. Take shorter baths. Turn off tap after each use. Don't flush tissue paper or waste into the toilet. Children, we can also save water by storing rainwater. We can use this rainwater to wash the car, clean the floor, and also water the plants. Children, we can do some fun activities in the water like swimming, water park, rafting, boat racing, etc. Children, do you know ways to keep water bodies clean? Yes, you can never throw garbage in water sources. If you are not throw garbage in the water, you can save water bodies. Fish and aquatic plants die due to the chemicals and plastic thrown in the water. Do not wash clothes and utensils or bath near a pond or lake. Children, Earth is also called the blue planet. Do you know why? I'm telling you. Children, if we divide Earth into 4 parts, 3 parts out of 4 is covered with water. That's why we call Earth is a blue planet. So children, save water, save life. Thank you. Bye-bye.